How to temporarily deactivate Instagram accounts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is open up Instagram, tap the profile icon from the bottom right to come to your profile page. Tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side. Go to the option called Account Center. Go to Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, then go to Deactivation or Deletion, then select your Instagram account here. Then select the option called Deactivate Account, then tap on Continue. Final step would be for you to enter your password, tap on Continue, and then your account will get temporarily deactivated, and anytime you want to reactivate it, you can just try logging into your account. This way you can temporarily deactivate Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.